activity for English stress, activity speaking English, Jaime González Cruz, 8015-919, Amalfi, Antioquia, 2019. My name is Jaime González Cruz. I am 65 years old. I am a student in environmental engineering on the UNAP. I like the municipality of Amalfi, Antioquia. I like tone system to vallenato, mixi, and ballad. I like to go the gym and the dance. In my free time, I nice chat with my family and go for wine. Description of the restaurant: Northeast Restaurant. El local is Bolívar, street of the commercial street of the municipality. I take 7 year old service the community. Products: the food is the typical of the region. One is what is recommendation. This is the rice spices and the mondongo. I recommendation to tourists will visit the place. It is very nice and economical. Thank you. You must go by.